Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. Last class I completed 5 mathematical methods. Now in this class also few mathematical methods I'll complete. So note down first one, that is a ceil function. This function returns smallest integer value which is greater than or equal to the argument. Greater than or equal to the given argument. So its return type is double only. It's return type double. So example, open your BlueJ. Mathematical functions class I created. So here take the value, positive or negative value. Math.ceil of A. System.out.println. Ceil value is plus B. Compare. No syntax errors. So it returns the double data type. 3.57 means greater than or equal to the argument. That means 3.57 means your output is 4.0. Positive value will get. Execute. 4.0. Ceil value is 4.0. For example, if you are using negative value, minus 3.57. Minus 3.57. Observe the output. So your output here, minus 3.0. See, minus 3.0. Negative value. Next. For example, if you are using like this 1/0, then your output is infinity. What is your output? Infinity. See, ceil value is infinity. Whether they last write short notes on ceil, or what is the return type, or what is the output of the above code. So next function is floor. Next function is floor. See, this function returns the largest integer value which is less than or equal to the argument. So return type is double only. See, floor function, this function returns the largest integer value which is less than or equal to the given argument. Its return type is double. Now open your BlueJ. See here, A value, same 3.57. Floor value is compare. We have to execute in different classes. Ceil in one class, floor in one class. Double A value 3.57. B is equal to math.floor of A. You are finding floor of A value. System.out.println. Floor value is, see, 3.57 means output is positive value, that is 3.0. See the 3.0. For example, negative minus 3.57. Output is what? Minus 4.0. See the output, minus 4.0. For example, 1 by 0. See the output, infinity one. Infinity. So don't confuse seal value and floor value. See, this function returns the largest integer value which is less than or equal to the argument, whereas a seal means this function returns the smallest integer value which is greater than or equal to the argument. Now one more function, that is random function. This function returns random values between 0 to 1. This function returns random values between 0 to 1. Always the output is going to change in this random function. So it's a return type here. Double on return type double. Now open your BlueGen, one example program. I'll execute. Double A is equal to math.random system.out.println random value is of A. It prints 0 to 1, in between 0 to 1. Always the value, whenever you are executing, it is varies. Now execute. Return type is double. See, the now random value is 0.7 something. One more time if you execute, the same value you will not get. The value is going to be changes. See. Now in this case 0.4 something. For example, if you want to print the random values between 0 to 10, if you want to print the random values between 0 to 10, now see into 10, compare. Now execute. Here also always whenever you are executing, the output is varies 3.57. For example, next time if you execute 9.9, 0 to 10. For example, if you want in between 5 to 10, in between 5 to 10, 5 plus random values between 5 to 10. So these are the three different models. Output, check the output. 5 to 10 you'll get output. See 9.2. Now one more time if you execute, different output. See 9.57. So these are the three mathematical functions in this class. So the next class I will continue with the remaining methods. Thank you.